Unboxing. I intentionally left one of the most exciting parts for the end of this video. Are you ready to see how you can start using the device step by step? In the scanner box, you'll find the device itself and some accessories. A USB-C cable is included with every model, while some have an external power supply with a power cord as well. First, let's set up a USB model. The first step is to install the Passport Reader software that includes all the necessary drivers so the PC or notebook can communicate with this peripheral device. Also, you will need to install one of our OCR softwares that you can access digitally after your purchase. Once the installation is done, you can connect the device using the USB-C cable and then turn it on. Immediately, you will see the feedback on its display. You can test it right away, even without any programming, using one of our demos. Take some test scans with the full-page reader demo or our new Authentication Checker. Now, let's turn to the network models and find out how to set them. Network models, of course, can be accessed through the network, so the only thing you need to do is connecting the power supply, switching on the device, then connecting to its IP address via web browser. In the manual, we provide detailed instructions so you can't go wrong. Once you connect to the device, you'll need to sign in. Then the web-based interface is yours, and you can start using the device, initiate scanning, check the verification results, and more.